Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is a premium remote control airplane that delivers an authentic flying experience for adults and enthusiasts. With a 1,700 mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, this warbird offers impressive scale detailing and is designed for those who appreciate realism and high-performance flight. This P-51 Mustang model is part of FMS's well-regarded line of RC aircraft, known for their quality and precision. One of the standout features of the P-51 Mustang Redtail is its 6-channel control system, allowing for advanced flight maneuvers with full control over the aircraft's movements, including throttle, ailerons, rudder, and elevator. The airplane also comes with flaps, providing additional control and versatility for slow-speed flying, takeoffs, and landings. The LED retracts are another notable feature, offering a realistic touch as the landing gear retracts during flight, just like the full-scale warbird. The airframe is constructed from durable EPO foam, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy structure that can withstand the stresses of flight. This model is designed for experienced RC pilots who can handle its advanced features and are looking for a rewarding flying experience. The Redtail livery is inspired by the iconic P-51 Mustang, adding to the aircraft's visual appeal with detailed paintwork and realistic design elements. It's important to note that the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail is a P&P, plug-and-play, model, meaning that the radio, battery, and charger are not included. Pilots will need to supply their own compatible components to complete the setup. This makes it a customizable option for those who already have the necessary gear. With its impressive wingspan, scale detailing, and advanced features, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is an excellent choice for experienced RC pilots looking for a realistic and thrilling flying experience. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an ideal remote control airplane for beginners, kids, and even adults looking to get into the world of RC flying. With a 500 mm wingspan and a lightweight design, this 4-channel aircraft is designed for easy control and smooth flying, making it perfect for learning the basics of remote control flight. One of the standout features of this RTF, ready-to-fly, plane is its 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which provides exceptional flight stability. This technology helps keep the plane steady in the air, making it easier for new pilots to learn and control the aircraft, especially in windy conditions. The gyro stabilizer ensures that even if you're new to flying RC planes, you'll have more forgiving and stable flight experiences. The Sport Cub comes with 3 different flight modes, allowing pilots to progress as their skills improve. Beginners can start in the beginner mode, which limits the control sensitivity for smoother flight, while more experienced pilots can switch to intermediate or advanced modes for greater maneuverability and excitement. This flexibility makes it a great option for users of all skill levels. Additionally, the plane features a propeller saver, which helps protect the propeller from damage during crashes or hard landings, ensuring the longevity of your aircraft. The red color scheme gives it a vibrant, eye-catching look that adds to the fun of flying. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub comes fully assembled, so you can start flying right out of the box. It's an excellent option for those looking for a simple, durable, and fun RC plane that's easy to control, offers great stability, and is designed for all levels of experience. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is an exceptional BNF, bind and fly, basic model designed for experienced RC pilots who want a versatile and high-performance aircraft. With a 1.5-meter wingspan and equipped with AS3X and Safe Select technology, this airplane offers a combination of stability, control, and exciting aerobatic capabilities, making it perfect for a wide range of flying styles. One of the most impressive features of the Turbo Timber 1.5M is its AS3X technology, which provides incredible flight stability. The system helps to smooth out the effects of wind and turbulence, giving you a much more controlled and enjoyable flying experience, even in challenging conditions. The Safe Select technology adds an additional layer of protection by limiting the range of motion in the aircraft to prevent unwanted extreme maneuvers, making it safer and easier to fly. This BNF basic version of the Turbo Timber requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately, allowing experienced pilots to use their existing gear. It's perfect for pilots who already have the necessary equipment but want the freedom to choose their preferred setup. The Turbo Timber is equipped with floats, allowing you to take off and land on water, adding to the versatility of the aircraft. Whether you're flying off land or water, this plane is built to handle a variety of terrains and conditions. The plane's large wheels and durable landing gear also make it suitable for rougher surfaces, enhancing its all-terrain capabilities. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is a well-rounded, high-performance aircraft that is ideal for experienced pilots who are looking for a plane that can do it all, whether it's aerobatics, water flying, or smooth, stable flight. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a fantastic choice for beginners and young enthusiasts looking to get into the world of remote control flight. This 2-channel RC airplane features a built-in 6-axis gyro, ensuring a stable flight experience for new pilots. Designed as a glider-style aircraft, the FX803 is easy to control, making it an excellent option for kids, adults, or anyone just starting out with RC flying. One of the standout features of the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is its 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which automatically helps to maintain the plane's stability in the air. This technology compensates for external factors like wind, providing smooth flight even for those who have little to no prior experience. The result is a forgiving, easy-to-fly aircraft that reduces the likelihood of crashes, allowing beginners to enjoy their flying experience with confidence. The EPP, expanded polypropylene, construction of the plane ensures that it is lightweight yet durable, capable of handling minor bumps or crashes without damage. The 2-channel control system offers basic controls for the airplane's throttle and direction, making it a straightforward option for learning the basics of flight. Despite its simplicity, the Makerfire RC Plane still provides an enjoyable flying experience with a good range of movement and maneuverability. With its compact design and user-friendly controls, the FX803 is a perfect introduction to the world of RC airplanes. It's also ideal for both indoor and outdoor flying, depending on weather conditions, making it a versatile model for beginners. Whether you're buying it for a young pilot or simply looking for a fun, easy-to-fly RC plane, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 offers great value, stability, and an easy learning curve for new flyers. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a fun and accessible RC plane designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. This 3-mode airplane offers a user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for kids and adults alike. With its intuitive controls and easy-to-learn features, this plane provides a smooth and enjoyable flight experience for all skill levels. One of the key features of the Leambe RC Plane is its 3 flight modes, designed to cater to different levels of experience. Beginners can start with the easiest mode, where the plane's movements are more restricted, making it easier to control. As pilots gain confidence, they can switch to intermediate and advanced modes to unlock more maneuverability and excitement. The ability to change modes helps ensure that the plane grows with the pilot's skills. The plane's design includes features that make it easier to perform maneuvers, like U-turns and other basic turns. This makes the aircraft highly maneuverable, which is ideal for learning the basics of flight and impressing friends and family with smooth flying techniques. The durable construction of the Leambe RC plane ensures it can withstand minor crashes and bumps, which is a common occurrence during the learning process. The lightweight design, coupled with a strong frame, allows for both indoor and outdoor flights. Whether you're introducing your child to RC flying or seeking an easy-to-pilot aircraft for yourself, the Leambe RC Plane offers a great combination of fun, control, and durability. Its 3 modes, ease of use, and maneuverability make it an excellent choice for both kids and adults.